Good morning to all of you. In our readings today, particularly the Gospel, it reminds me of how our mothers take care of us. A mother's love for her child is supposed to be boundless. She will even give up her own life to save her child. In the animal kingdom, we often see this phenomenon. Sadly, though only human beings practice willful abortion. Yes, the incident the incident narrated in today's reading makes us wonder why some mothers ever dare to kill their unborn babies. Here, we have a scene where a mother is seemingly insulted, likened to a dog, and yet she wittingly retorted to the insult and showing her confidence in his compassionate heart and healing power. Her faith was rewarded, her child was healed, the demon was cast out. My dear brothers and sisters, our elders tell us that no prayer goes unheard if and when our petitions to God are not immediately answered. Let us not lose heart. God's timing is always better than us. His answer will come. And yes, at times in a very unexpected ways. Trust Him always. He loves you more than a mother loves a child in her womb. Let us especially pray today for all expectant mothers. May they always see in their yet unborn children opportunities of becoming co-creators of the future members of God's kingdom on earth and co-heirs of Jesus Christ of the kingdom of heaven. So let us get inspiration from a mother in our gospel for today. Let us continue to kneel down and pray. God will always hear our prayer.